Hello friends, today I talk about the good nature and habit talk. Okay, I know what is the nature and what is the habit, and only that's nature I ever talk, that the human nature. Okay, human nature. What is the human nature? Then nature has the two types. Okay, you know that's nature. One nature is the place nature and one nature is the human nature. Then today I talk about the human nature, and human nature has the what's kind of the many types. So I talk this about which I have the know, I have the learned, that's I talk about the and you. And please you listen my talk to till end, because if you till end you show that something is, do you know the what I talk this about. Okay, I know you known the nature, that's what is the nature, but what I do talk now something is, you please listen, and to be done the something you get the knowledge for me. So I called and I talk start. Nature. A human body has the good nature and bad nature. But the God is you born in the place in earth. You have the one things. You are the human. Okay. So many types has the this life. So the animals, bird, and many things. But you have the no bird, no animal. You are the human. So do you know the nature is the very bad, not connected. You have connected the nature is good. And so I tell the nature is not bad, nature is good. But you have a small, you are the burning, then time a small, then after you are the growth and your height is the up. And when you are the young, so childhood, child and boy and young and old, this has the growth my human life. And do you know my life has the one point, that is the nature. And nature is the good make you, that's everything, everybody. And how many have the peoples in the world, in the earth, you are the respected. And very away you are the ending time till you the respect. If you nature have the good, then the nature what has the good nature, do you know? And how types I catch the nature, that's many people is the respected me. Yes, one types, one things you have to be the good nature man and the good boy and young and anything. You are the child, you are the young, you are the old, but you have connected, you catch the nature, then for good nature. Then good nature come from, then first you work the, and you the successful make the nature for you make the good habit. Okay, then next time I tell the what has the, and what is the good habit, but today I only talk the nature about the nature. You have the good nature, and how much you to be the good nature, then for the first connected and main point has the habit. You are the good habit make, and habit from your nature is the solutions and showing. And next time I tell the habit about. Okay, so today I understood and you understood. Then what is the nature? Nature is good, nature has you have, then you have get the successful, you have the good respected, you have the anything, and every people's respected you. Okay, this about, and this know you. And next time I tell the good habit and how to have, how to come you have the good habit. So today my talk about is the I end now, and next time I tell the good habit. Okay, so how can catch the good habit, and the what is the good habit, and what's work is the good habit. If you have the good habit, then what do the good habit. Okay, then next time I talk about good habit. Okay, thank you this video, and I get and I see you again next video. Thank you.